Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add character AI to Discord. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in discord.com/developers/docs/intro. Now press enter and this will take you into the developer page for Discord. Now from this page, simply click on applications, and then if you're not logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in. So log in using your email address and your password, and then you can click on the new application to add your character. Simply type in the name of your character and then click on the checkbox. Now click on the create button and then you will be allowed to enter further description and other information about your character. You can also add a picture if you wish by clicking on the picture icon. You can also set tags so that people can find your character more easily. Now as you can see, you will also be provided an application ID as well as a public key. You can copy these and store them for future use in order to find your bot or character more easily. After setting all of your configuration, you can click on the Save Changes button. Then you can click on the Bots menu and then select various permissions for your character. And now your character will be ready to be used with your Discord server. You can simply use your public key or your application ID to add the character into your Discord server. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add character AI into your Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.